Guys, so welcome to Basile Garage. What those locals that I So what do you think? What do you think we got in these boxes up in here? What do you think we got in these boxes?
I looked in the oven and all I saw is something for the car and
So what happened?
I think it's a filter with see what it is. I opened the
All right. What's that say? What's that say? KLM. Okay, be careful with the knife. Okay, now. Like I showed you, keep the hands away. This boy up in here, freaking like turn it off, making all kinds of noises. What do you think? Yeah, it runs good or what? Beast mode.
You want full beast mode, guys?
Wow, Della, I can see you're about to cut your hands. So let me show you, Della. When you open a box, look at me, let go. When you open a box, the best thing is to kind of keep it down. See how the tip is down, and you kind of go with it. See?
Oh, okay,
See?
okay.
You don't even have to put a lot of pressure. Watch your hands. Uh-oh, got competition. That's what a stock exhaust sounds like. You're about to cut your hands. I can feel it. Good thing that knife. Hey guys, by the way, that knife is not really sharp. It's dull, but try to teach you how to open a box. It feels like you're about to shank somebody with that thing. Move the hands out of the way, woman. Move the hands out of the way. There you go. Move to the other side when you cut it. Watch your hands. Okay. Even though I showed you this. And you're gonna keep doing it till you cut your hands, homie. And then everybody be like, yo, man. You are a horrible father. You let your daughter cut her hands on camera. I'm like, well, she wants to do it herself. So, hey, you know what? You want to cut your hands? That's fine. At least I'm here to take you to the emergency. Oh, somebody's calling you out, guy. Restart. Easy, Della. Oh, wow. Beast mode. Okay, how about you close that knife before, like, you're gonna...
I don't know how to close it.
Okay. Easy now. Easy turbo. Easy turbo. Easy turbo. Easy turbo. Wow. Somebody look at that. Wow.
Guys, show what was in the other box.
Bro, yo, take it easy. Hold on. You not even know. Yo, I need to teach you how to open boxes. I'll let you do your thing, but you kind of like really sucky at this right now. When you open a box, first of all, you want to be like, ooh, wow. I mean, even though, hey, easy now, because you're going to scratch those pipes. Easy now. Easy now. You're not listening, woman. You're not listening. Okay, hey. Okay, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. This is actually not toys. So I know you just kind of want to bang the stuff around. So this is the time where actually I'll take over from here, okay? I'll take over from here. Okay, guys, so, yo, Vatos Locos got the damn box from KLM. See, now this is some kind of excitement. My daughter's like thinking some kind of car parts. What? There's no toys. We're not excited, okay? So she's still on that stage with the toys, and it is what it is. But yo, guys, check it out. I just got my box from KLM, and I'm so pumped up, yo. Yeah, you wanna hold it? You wanna hold this? I'm sure these guys what's up, man. Since my daughter's waiting to ditch me on this, you know? No, check it out, bro. This is actually not toys. So I know you just gotta wanna this is a downpipe. This is the downpipe that they. Look at this, bro. Look at this. It's gonna be something like this. Anyways, so that's the downpipe. Look at that, bro. Look at the flip, bro.
Let's see these welds.
Bro, look at this. Sick, bro. Look at that. Hold on. I got more. Oh. I got more. Yo, Look at the sizes of these damn freaking wastegate tube, bro. This is like a damn wastegate tube for my wastegate. 60mm wastegate. Look at that. Look at this. Whoa, somebody look at this. Bro, the down tube on this down on the wastegate is huge, bro. Look at this.
I know.
Usually it's like half the size.
Like 2 inch?
This this is like 2.5, bro.
2.5?
2.25?
Something
Let's
pretty
measure
close.
it.
Alright, let's measure it.
2.25. You said what? 2 inch?
I say 2 inch.
Let's see who's closer. Got the whole snapper up in here. You know what I'm saying? You think you're the only one with snap on, bro? Damn, 2.5, bro.
We're both wrong.
Bro, look at that. Almost 2.5. What talking about, bro? I'm closer. Yo, look at this. That's sick, right? Oh, snap. Damn, I'm gonna give you some more boxes. Recycle. Oh, snap. Here's the manifold.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Where's the turbo?
There he goes.
Where's the turbo?
Bro, it's on the table right there.
Oh. Let's see. Where at? Where am I missing this?
It's on the blue bag right there.
Oh, there it is.
Yo, they kept it soft, bro. Wow. They didn't want nobody to Man, this plastic is like
Where's your knife at?
in my pocket. Not this old doll, dude. Like, it will not. Trust me. Bro, look at this beauty right here, dude. Yo, if that's, I mean, take a look at the welds, dude. Look at that wastegate right there. Look at the flange.
Some good work.
Bro. That's any house. Look at the welds on the flange, bro.
Oh yeah, it's good work.
Bro, it's sick.
Who did this?
KLM, dude. KLM. Shout out to KLM, dude. Sick. And they polished the inside, the runners. Look at it, after they welded it. I'm assuming they welded on the inside and they polished it. Damn. T4, look at that. Even the inside is polished, see that?
Oh yeah.
The down, even the wastegate tube, look at that, the wastegate tube. All polished up too. And they polished up the front of it, see? So it can be straight when you put the wastegate in. This is a sick manifold, dude. It's gonna be like this. Watch me press on these. More down, but it's gonna be an extra 2 inches down, but that's kind of how it's gonna look. Sick, yo! Look at the wastegate, bro. Like, damn, down two is gonna be nuts, bro. Oh, golly. This is some, bro.
You're just gonna be slower now. You got too much weight.
Bro, this is by far the best manifold I ever had on any of my turbo cars ever. So, shout out to KLM, man. This thing's sick. I mean, look at the woods on these, dude.
Yeah, no, I've seen
Look at the woods on these. Look at that. Look at.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Bro, let's check it out. The intercooler next. I'm gonna sit it down here.
Hey, Paul, you got. Let me see that. You got holes in your pants, man.
I do?
Yeah, in the butt.
What?
Oh, dang, right there.
You like?
This fool got red underwear on.
Yeah. Oh snap, here's the intercooler. I have to this time, bro. That's it, you know? No more. Oh snap. Uh-oh.
Alright, you don't need the knife.
Look at this, bro. Kill them, yo. You got a tap right here. You got a tap right there. You got a 90 there at the bottom.
Vibrant 90s.
Yeah, vibrant, bro. Look at that.
Yeah.
Pretty sick, huh? What do you guys think? Nice. Nice. So, the way it's going to be on the car. So the way it's gonna be on the inside, I'm gonna have a 90 right here, silicone 90, like that. You know what I mean? And then right here, it's gonna go 90, and then into the throttle body, and then the tranny is gonna go down, and then down over. You know, or I'm gonna put a coupler at 45.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And it's just gonna go straight like that. You know. But what do you think of that intercooler? Pretty sick or what?
It is very sick.
Yeah.
Probably the best looking intercooler I've seen.
Yeah.
You've had a lot of turbo cars too. How many turbo cars have you had?
Bro,
B series and everything.
bro, I don't know. I lost count.
At least a dozen or more.
Oh yeah. Definitely lost count. But this thing, bro, sick. Looking fresh, man. Look at this. A manifold. Damn, that's just like. That's just straight fire, bro. Look at those beads on there, dude.
Oh no.
I can probably never sell this manifold, bro. I'm just gonna go to sleep, you know. I'll be taking it easy on it, you know what I'm saying?
Boogers in there too or something?
Protein for later, you know. But anyways, guys, hey, this is the stuff that I got from KLM. Really excited, pretty pumped up. Yep. Can't wait to get it installed. Can't wait to put it in the car. Again, shout out to KLM. You guys, if you're in the market to triple your car, stuff like that, yo man, KLM is the way to go. I know there's a lot of companies. I want to go with KLM because they're in states. They build their own stuff in-house, and they were able to do my intercooler the way I wanted to do it. They did the manifold the way I wanted to do it, so 60 millimeter. And like I said, this manifold right here is just, bro, my baby right here. You know what I'm saying, for a while. But you know, those guys don't play around. You know, I mean, as you can tell, the quality of everything. I mean, even if you touch it, I mean, seriously, just touch that.
Yeah.
Watch how smooth that is. It's not even like rough or anything.
Really, really smooth actually.
Yeah.
It looks rough from the video, but
So, like he mentioned, like the words on how smooth it is, it's nuts.
yeah, it's actually really smooth. It looks rough, but it's extremely smooth.
Even the runners, man.
Yeah.
Even the runners, it's sick. Like I'm really pumped up, man. Like this is by far the most like legit turbo kit I've done on any of my setup.
So what's left? What do you lack now?
So
One more.
I'm waiting on the stuff from Vibrant right now. The stuff from Vibrant is coming in, like couplers, piping, hoses, drain kit. I mean, all kinds of stuff. So I can do all the plumbing, and then my twin disc. Got my twin disc from Clutch Masters. Shout out to Clutch Masters, much love. Rob Ryan, appreciate you, brother.
So are you tapping your own oil pan, or are you buying?
Yeah. So I'm gonna tap my own oil pan and do all that jazz and stuff, you know. And of course, there's gonna be a bunch of videos, show everybody how I'm gonna do all that stuff. And but yeah, I'm just really speechless. This stuff is awesome. Can't wait to install it. Can't wait. Here's the turbo. I'll show you the turbo real quick. Kind of give you an idea. So this is This is 62, 66. Already got the turbo right there, and I'll take the down pipe so I can show you. Now the down pipe is gonna be looking sick up in here. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, buddy. So, yeah, pretty excited about that. You know what I mean? Can't wait to get it all done, get it all installed, and go on boost mode. So, stay tuned to the next video, guys. Appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, whatever you gotta do. Catch you guys next time. With your love, vatos!